DDU-GKY abbreviations.
DDU-GKY Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kausalya Yojana.
SEDAP, Society for Employment Generation and Enterprise Development in Andhra Pradesh.
MORD, Ministry of Rural Development.
NRLM, National Rural Livelihood Mission.
SRLM, State Rural Livelihood Mission.
MGNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. NIRD, NPR, National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj.
SOP, Standard Operating Procedures.
SSC, Sector Skill Council.
LSC Lifestyle Skill Council.
NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation.
NCPT, National Counseling for Vocational Training.
Thank you.